back to JP Study Corner. In this video, we are going to see some most important MCQ questions from the topic Class 10 Science. Question number 1. The role played by gallbladder in human body is option A to digest foods, B to store bile, C to segregate bile, D to emulsify fats. The right answer option B to store bile. Question number 2. Energy in the case of higher plants and animals is obtained by option A breathing, B organ respiration, C digestion of food, D tissue respiration. The right answer option D tissue respiration. Question number 3. Which chemical substance also known as king of chemicals? Option A nitric acid, B hydrochloric acid, C sulfuric acid, D carbonic acid. The right answer option C sulfuric acid. Question number 4. The kidney in human beings are a part of the system of option A nutrition, B respiration, C excretion, D transportation. The right answer option C excretion. Question number 6. What is the magnification of the image formed by plane mirror? Option A less than 1, B greater than 1, C is equal to 1, D none of the above. The right answer option C is equal to 1. Question number 7. Which of the substance has higher absolute refractive index? Option A benzene, B kerosene, C ruby, D diamond. The right answer option D diamond. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a chemical change? Option A burning of natural gas, B melting of wax, C decomposing vegetables, D respiration. The right answer option B melting of wax. Question number 8. Red litmus has option A red color, option B blue color, option C purple color, option D yellow color. The right answer option B blue color. Question number 9. Which of the following acid is a strong acid? Option A nitric acid, B acetic acid, C phosphoric acid, D carbonic acid. The right answer option A nitric acid. Question number 10. Which gas is used by chips manufacturers usually to flash bags of chips? Option A hydrogen gas, B oxygen gas, C nitrogen gas, D all of the above. The right answer option C nitrogen gas. Question number 11. The chemical reaction between copper and oxygen can be categorized as option A combination reaction, B displacement reaction, C decomposition reaction, D double displacement reaction. The right answer option A combination reaction. Question number 12. Which of the following mirror is used by a dentist to examine a small cavity in a patient's teeth? Option A convex mirror, option B concave mirror, option C plane mirror, option D none of the above. The right answer option B concave mirror. Question number 13. What is the saturated solution of sodium chloride called? Option A brine, B lime water, C slaked water, D soda water. The right answer option A brine. Question number 14. Which of the following element has two shells and both are completely filled? Option A helium, B calcium, C neon, D boron. The right answer option C neon. Question number 15. The chemical formula for lead sulfate is options A Pb2SO4, option B PbSO42, option C PbSO4, option D Pb2 SO42. The right answer option C PbSO4. Question number 16. The mode of nutrition in green plant is option A parasitic, B saprotrophic, C autotrophic, D none of the above. The right answer option C autotrophic. Question number 17. Lifespan of human RBC is option A 80 days, option B 120 days, option C 150 days, option D 50 days. The right answer option B 120 days. Question number 18. Who was the first to use a glass prism to obtain the spectrum of sunlight? Option A Albert Einstein, option B Michael Faraday, option C Isaac Newton, option D James Maxwell. The right answer option C Isaac Newton. Question number 19. Which substance is used for whitewashing walls? Option A calcium carbonate, option B calcium hydroxide, option C calcium oxide, D none of the above. The right answer option B calcium hydroxide. Question number 20. The excretory system of human beings include option A pair of kidneys, B a pair of ureters, option C a urinary bladder, option D all of the above. The right answer option D all of the above. Question number 21. The xylem in plants are responsible for option A transport of food, B transport of water, C transport of oxygen, D transport of amino acid. The right answer option B transport of water. Question number 23. Name the chemical which is used to test starch. Option A iodine, B alcohol, C potassium hydroxide, D none of the above. The right answer option A iodine. Question number 24. Which of the following element is essential for the formation of protein? Option A sodium, B nitrogen, C calcium, D iron. The right answer option A, option B nitrogen. Question number 25. Metal always found in free state is option A gold, B silver, C copper, D sodium. The right answer option A gold. Question number 26. Setting of plaster of Paris take place due to option A oxidation, B reduction, C dehydration, D hydration. The right answer option D hydration. Question number 27. Which of the following method is suitable for preventing an iron fry pan from rusting? Option A applying paint, option B applying grease, C applying a coating of zinc, D all of the above. The right answer option C applying coating of zinc. Question number 28. The first compound to be prepared in the laboratory was option A urea, B ethyl alcohol, C acetic acid, D methane. The right answer option A urea. Question number 29. When heating of lead nitrate give which type of product? Option A lead oxide, B nitrogen dioxide, C oxygen gas, D all of the above. The right answer option D all of the above. Question number 30. Brass is an alloy of option A copper and zinc, B copper and tin, C lead and tin, D none of the above. The right answer option A copper and zinc. Question number 31. Which of the following utensils can be used to kept curd? Option A copper, option B brass, option C tin, D none of the above. The right answer option C tin. Question number 32. AIDS is a deadly disease which is caused by Option A, a fungus. B, a protozoan. C, a bacterium. D, a virus. The right answer option D, a virus. Question number 33. Which one of the following animals have a shorter small intestine? Option A, omnivore. B, carnivore. C, herbivore. D, all have same length. The right answer option B, carnivore. Question number 34. Which color has shortest frequency? Option A, blue. Option B, red. Option C, violet. D, green. The right answer option B, red. Question number 35. Which lens used by watchmakers? Option A, concave lens. Option B, convex lens. C, both of the lens. D, none of the above. The right answer option B, convex lens. Question number 36. Which type of chemical reaction takes place when electricity is passed through water? Option A, displacement. Option B, decomposition. C, combination. D, double displacement. The right answer option B, decomposition. Question number 37. Dash are corrosive in nature. Option A, acid. Option B, base. C, salt. D, neutral. The right answer option D, neutral. Question number 38. Which of the following acid used as a preservative in making pickles? Option A, lactic acid. B, hydrochloric acid. C, formic acid. D, acetic acid. The right answer option D, acetic acid. Question number 39. Which provide nutrition to the living organism are called? Option A, carbohydrate. B, photosynthesis. C, nutrients. D, water. The right answer option C, nutrients. Question number 40. The opening and closing of the stomatal pore depends upon option A, temperature. B, water in the guard cells. C, oxygen. D, concentration. The right answer option B, water in the guard cells. Hope this video very useful for you. If you feel the same, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.